Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you to There's a Card Thursday. And I want to show you my favorite stamp set from Sale-a-bration. It's called the Heartfelt Blooms, and we're going to be using that on this really great card. What we're going to need is, of course, we're going to need the Heartfelt Blooms. And if you look closely, it's kind of flat there. You wouldn't think that it does something really cool, but it does. So we're also going to be using the Melon Mambo ink, but you can use any color really. It's going to be a mono card, one color. What we're going to need for the way is we're going to need a piece of Whisper White 8.5 by 5.5, and a piece of Whisper White 3 by 3 3/4, and a piece of Whisper White 1 by 4. We're also going to need a piece of Melon Mambo. This Melon Mambo is 3.5 by 4 1/4, and we're going to need 1.5 by 4.5 piece of Melon Mambo. We're going to need some glue dots. We're going to need some Stampin' dimensionals, and we're going to need a bone folder. And we're going to need the triple banner punch here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to make this card base, okay? And then we're going to take our 3 by 3 and 3 by 3 3/4, and I'm just going to stamp this big flower set right on that Whisper White with Melon Mambo. See? I'm going to bring that down a little so you can see that. Look at that. Look at how great that is. Got Melon Mambo all over. It just brightens that up. You'd think that it's nothing on there. So Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. And there you go, look at that. Can you believe that comes from something like that? There, you got a bit of that. It's a new distinctive stamp type that Stampin' Up! Is doing. So that's pretty cool. Oh, forgot to do, now we're also going to be doing the saying. So I'm just going to be doing a thank you right in the middle of that because we're going to use the triple banner punch to punch that out. Okay. So we're going to take the triple banner punch and we're going to make sure we've got, yeah, I'm going to punch that side out and right in the middle there. Punch that side out. Take the big Melon Mambo, put that in there, and put it in this side too. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the glue dots and we're going to glue those down. These two down, right like that. Okay. Just like that. So we've got a banner right like that. Okay, then we're going to take this onto our Melon Mambo and we're going to glue that down with the glue dots. Okay, just like this. I'm going to glue this to our card base. There's that card base. And I'm just going to take that with the glue dots again and glue this down. Now I want to show you a little trick here how to make that. Just have a little more pizzazz. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now what you're going to do is you're going to go from the middle and you're going to go just with your bone folder and you're going to make it sort of like a smile like that. But then you're going to come on the outside and you're just going to flip that smile up on the ends, just like this. So it kind of goes like a wave. And then you're going to take your Stampin' Dimensionals, and you're going to put a Stampin' Dimensional on each of those wavy things. And it just gives it a little more pizzazz there. Okay, it's going to come off here sooner or later. And there you go. And then I'm just going to put that on the bottom. And there you've got it. Anyhow, make sure you follow me on YouTube, and everything you need to know about the stuff I've used is down below, and you can click on that and it'll bring you right to my store so you can buy it. So thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.